Dito naman sa 3D Lotto, 3 numbers ninyo pwedeng manalo ng 4,500 pesos per 10 peso play kapag nag-match sa mapipiling 3D Lotto winning combination in exact order. 750 pesos or 1,500 pesos naman ang pwedeng mapanalunan kung nag-rumble ito system play. Thrice daily ang pagpapapremyo nito every 2 p.m., 5 p.m., and 9 p.m. At narito na ang ating 3D Lotto winning numbers. The first number is 2. The second number is 2. And the third number is 9. Again, tonight's 3D Lotto winning combination is 2, 2, and 9 in exact order. At syempre para sa last game tonight, dalawang masuswerteng numero ang maghahatid ng panalo. Let's now play the 2D Lotto game. $2D Lotto players, 4,000 pesos per 10 peso play ang panalo mo kapag nag-match ang 2 numbers ninyo sa ating winning combination in exact order. Kung nanalo via the Rambolito system play, 2,000 pesos naman ang maiuwi ninyo. Reminder lang sa mga Lotto winners, may 1 year kayo to claim your prizes. At narito na ang resulta ng ating 2D Lotto draw. For the first number, we have 22. And the second number is 6. Recapping the 2D Lotto winning numbers for our 9 p.m. draw, we have 22 and 6 in exact order.